Hey, I'm Sean Gaffner, one of the owners here at the Roost on Main Street in Longmont. We opened the Roost a few years ago here in Longmont. We wanted to have just a fun, casual atmosphere. We were so fortunate to be featured on the Food Network's Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. At the Roost, we use the phrase eat real food a lot. We love getting to know local farmers and ranchers and using local, fresh product. We have 2 rooftop patios where you can enjoy some food and drinks in this beautiful Colorado weather. Whether you're looking for a great place for a quick business lunch or meeting up with friends after work for some appetizers and cocktails, I believe we have everything that you're looking for here at the Roost. Every Friday and Saturday night at 8:30, we have really great live music with no cover charge.